Hey everyone, Megan here. If you followed my channel at all, I am a healthy mummy. I have been following the Healthy Mummy since July of 2018. In that time, I have lost 20 kilos. I love everything about Healthy Mummy. I love the app, I love the exercises, and I absolutely love the food. But what I have seen over time is a lot of ladies having trouble, especially when it comes to snack time. So I thought I would prepare for you some of my favorite simple snacks that can literally be made in less than 10 minutes using a lot of ingredients that you already have at home. Now I do have the computer up here because I want to show you a little trick if you are a healthy mummy and the way that the app works. When you go into your app and when you go into the food, you can go into what's called the recipe hub and it will come up with all the different recipes that Healthy Mummy have to offer. Now you can filter this. So today I simply filtered it to just doing snacks and snacks that can be prepared in less than 15 minutes. So then it filters and only brings up those items. Now it has brought up 520 options that you can make to have on the table and to have as a snack in less than 15 minutes. So it really makes it easy because snack time is something that if we don't grab something quick, then we're going to reach for something that isn't as good. So today I've prepared some of my favorites. These are all from the app and all options that you can find in there. If there's any other information you want to know about anything I tell you, chuck me a comment below and I will jump back on and I will answer your questions about it. But let's go through what I have for you, okay? What you will notice here is I have used a lot of the same ingredients and a lot of the same things multiple times. That way you're only buying it once, but if you're somebody who gets sick of the same snack, then you can do it a different way on a different day. And that way you're not repeating the same thing over and over and over. It gives you a bit of variety. It can also help bring our budget and our shopping down because we're making sure that we use that ingredient up, not just use a little bit of it and then throw away or discard the rest of it. So let's have a look what we have. Okay, so you've got veggies in the house and you've got things like dips in the house. So the quick easy thing to do is to cut up your veggies and have them with that as just like a pick plate. So I've got hummus over here and I've literally cut it up with some carrot, some celery, some capsicum and some cucumber. Things that I already have in the house. You can also have crackers with it if you want to have crackers with it, but you can also add something like paprika or chili flakes if you want to spice it up. Hummus is a great, easy, quick snack that is one of your better options when it comes to dip, that you can quickly have a little bit of it, fill yourself up, pop it away for later. The other option, peanut butter, which is my absolute 100% go-to that you can use like a dip pick platter as well. So the aim with our peanut butter is we want to have it as much just peanuts as we possibly can. The more things added to it, the worse for you it's going to be. So try and get that peanut content as high as you can. I love to melt it and I have it with things simply like apple or even with carrot and celery and you just dip it away. So another way we can use peanut butter is doing it in things like this. So to start with, I've made what is called a Snickers Mousse. So Snickers Mousse has things like ricotta in it. You use your peanut butter to get you that snickery, peanutty flavor. You've got cocoa or cacao, whichever you prefer to use, plus dark choc chips and a little bit of maple syrup. Once again, with the maple syrup, you want to do as much natural maple syrup as you possibly can because it's better for you. Now, I've just mixed that all up and I've made that into a mousse. So it's better for you rather than using something like a cream. So it's just a little bit of a different option you can do it. Then I decided, well, what if we feel like a bit more of a chocolatey, richer thing? So I've made what is called the choc chip pudding. Now, surprisingly, this actually is made using avocado. So you smash your avocado up. If you want a really smooth consistency, I recommend popping it in your blender and blitzing it so it's nice and smooth. And it's just simply got some maple syrup added to it. Once again, use cocoa or cacao, whichever you prefer to use. Chuck some choc chips on top and away you go, and you cannot even tell that you have avocado in there. avocado is a great source of fat. And if you are somebody who actually struggles to eat your calories rather than lower your calories, it is a great one to help you get to that. Okay, now that I've mentioned avocado, let's talk about another way we can use avocado. Avocado is great to use on something as simple as a rice cake. Smash the avocado up, pop it on your rice cake, and all we are going to do is simply pop some cheese on there to finish it off. So this is just like a light tasty cheese. Pop a little bit of pepper on there. And there's another simple way that you can use your avocado, because avocado is something that we use a little bit of, then we discard the rest of it. That's a quick, easy way. Rice cakes are great. So let's go into what we can do with a rice cake. I've done another couple of options here for you. So once again, using that peanut butter, I've just popped some peanut butter on my rice cake, and all I'm going to literally do is add some banana on the top of each of those. And you have another quick, easy snack that you can make. Simply rice cakes, peanut butter, and banana. Now those are 3 ingredients I always have in the pantry, so there's something quick, simple, easy that you can whack up. Now our last rice cake here, I've got ricotta on that as well. Now if you heard before, I used ricotta in the Snickers Mousse. So I've also now used it on my rice cakes, and all we're going to do is add some tomatoes to those, and a little bit of pepper. And there's another quick way that you can use a rice cake. So now we've used the 1 ingredient and we've used it 3 times. We've used our avocado a couple of times, we've used our peanut butter a few times, and we've used our ricotta. Tomato is something we always have on hand too. Well, you especially do at my house. So another couple of ways we can do things. I've got just some simple wholemeal or whole grain crackers here. If you don't have rice cakes, then you probably will find that you'll have some version of cracker here. So with your crackers, once again, just pop some cheese on there, then pop some of your tomato on there. So same as before, I've just used the light tasty cheese. Pop that on there, add a little bit of pepper. Simple, easy, crackers with cheese and tomato. Something that you will probably have at home. Okay, so our other lot of cheese that we have here on our cracker, all we're going to do is simply roll up a little bit of ham and pop some ham on each one. I tend to always have ham in the fridge, and it's a great way to use it up, especially if you know that it's going to go bad in a couple of days. You can add some pepper to that, add anything you like to that, but it's another quick way to use your cracker, use your cheese, use up your ham. So we're using up things that we have at home, and it's a quick, simple snack rather than reaching for something like a pack of chips. On our last cracker, I've added some cream cheese. So on our cream cheese, all we're simply going to do is add some cucumber. Nice and simple. If you want to pop a little bit of pepper on there, you can pop a little bit of pepper on there, and away you go. Now over in the corner here, you will see another couple of options. So I've also used the cucumber in just a whole grain wrap, also with a bit of your cream cheese. So it's just another option if you don't want to have that on a cracker. You can pop it in a wrap and you just wrap it up, cut it into bite-sized pieces, and away you go. It's something quick, easy, simple to snack on, but a different option to use those same ingredients on the next day if you don't want to do the same thing again. I've also got some eggs here. Eggs are a great way to add in your calories and to also fill you up. So once you've hard boiled your eggs, I leave them like this in their shell, pop them in the fridge in a container. Then bring them out. You can either curry them and have them as curried eggs. You can literally slice them up and pop them on a cracker like this, or you can just eat them as they are. Great way to get some protein, great way to fill yourself up, and something quick that once again will not take you long. Now my last snack is using a Healthy Mummy smoothie. These are a great, simple, easy way to give yourself so much goodness and quickly you can make it and you can actually take it out the door. So it's very handy when you're heading to work, taking the kids to school, running late for an appointment. Quick, easy way to make a snack that is good for you. So all I've done, a cup of milk, so use any milk you like. You can use full cream, low fat, almond, soy, lactose free, whatever it is that you use. I've done 1 cup of the milk. I've also done 1 cup of water, as I find it a great way to help keep my water intake up as well. And then I'm literally going to pop in 1 scoop of the smoothie. So this is a salted caramel, and this is from the Tummy Smoothie range, which has probiotics in it, which is great for that gut health. So I find this really helps with bloating as well. So it's a great way, one, to add into either a meal or a snack throughout the day. So give that a quick shake in your shaker. You can also pop it in a blender if you are at home, whatever you prefer. And that is another snack that is straight away done right there and then. So what I have shown you is things that you would genuinely have at home, and it is all things that are quick, easy options, healthy for you. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips or some store-bought biscuits, reach for something like this. As you can see, and as I've shown you, we have used the same ingredients so many times over, but it's a quick, easy way. Morning snack, afternoon snack, dinner snack, anything you need. As I said on here, there were 520 options that you could do in less than 15 minutes. But if you're wanting to know any more about all of this, or a bit more in detail of what products I've used, pop me a comment below so I can help you. The aim of this channel I've done is, I love the Healthy Mummy and I follow it all the time. Every single day, Healthy Mummy is used in my life, and this channel has been created so that I can help motivate, inspire other people on their weight loss journeys. So if there is anything today that can help you on yours, pop me a comment, pop a like, let me know, and I'll see you all again soon.